In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and customize a text box in your report. Whether you're looking to enhance your design with headings, subtitles, or annotations, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure your text elements look impeccable and are perfectly integrated into your report's design. First off, let's switch to Edit mode if you haven't already. This mode allows us to make all the necessary changes to your document. Once you're in Edit mode, direct your attention to the toolbar situated at the top of your screen. Here, you'll find the Add menu. Click on it, and from the drop-down options, select Text Box. In some interfaces, you might see this represented by a simple text icon. Click that instead if it matches what you see. This action will prepare a new text component, which we can soon customize to suit our needs. Now, with the option activated, click on the canvas area where you'd like to place your text box. This click will act as an anchor point for your text box. Once it's placed, click inside the box to begin typing the content you wish to include. Whether you need a bold heading, a simple subtitle, or a small annotation, the text box is now at your disposal. With your text typed in, let's move to styling. With the text box selected, take a glance over to the right-hand side of your screen where you will find a Style panel. This panel is your playground for creativity and customization. Begin with the font family. Choose one that aligns with the theme and readability requirements of your report. Next, adjust the size to ensure your text is neither too small nor overwhelmingly large. Color is another essential facet, as it can emphasize or harmonize your text with the overall design. Pick a shade that resonates well. Additionally, if you're looking for emphasis, explore the weight options. Bold and italic can add important visual cues to your text. Once the basic style is adjusted, think about alignment, left, center, or right, to see what best suits the section and format of your page. You can also play around with the background color for your text box. Does it need a subtle backdrop, or is no background the cleanest choice? Padding and margin parameters are also available to tinker with, ensuring that the text is elegantly framed within its box, neither squashed nor overly spacious. Ensure your text box is positioned and resized appropriately. Use your cursor to drag the corners of the box until it flawlessly fits into your overall design scheme. As an optional final touch, you can turn your text into a hyperlink. Select the text, click the link icon that usually resides among your styling options, and enter your desired URL. This feature can be especially handy for linking to another report section or an external website. And there you have it. Your perfectly styled text box is ready to complement your report. Follow these steps, and you'll master creating text components that not only convey information effectively, but also enhance the aesthetic appeal of your document. Happy designing!